Damn if I have it to here. And today, if you haven't already seen by the title, I'm going to be doing a 1 million coin pro pack opening on Madden Mobile. So, I've already spent a few $1,000,000 on pro packs on Madden Mobile, and honestly, they haven't been very good at all. I've gotten nothing from them, so I'm hoping that maybe by filming it, just because I'll maybe get something good, but I don't expect it to be anything good. But I'm just going to go ahead and jump right in, because I have to open 1,000,000, and I might not be able to do it in one episode. I might just split it up in a few episodes, so I'm just going to go right away. Alright, just go quick. Let me flip over here, it's much easier. Alright, here we go. And I have all these auctions selling, that's from all my other bronzes and silvers I put up because I keep running out of space. Alright, so nothing good so far. It's expected though. I'm just going to go through them pretty fast, so if I miss anything, if I miss any elites, just make sure to tell me down in the comments or anything. There's an update team, so actually I'm just going to go check just in case. Pretty sure it's a gold, but you always got to check. Yeah, okay, it's just a gold. I'll actually take that. It's a wide, it's a tight end. I'm actually already locking at tight end position. Kicker. So I started off with 1,250,000 coins, I think, so I'm going to do my best to get down to 250,000 coins, but I don't think I'm going to be able to do it in one episode, so just going to see how much I can get through. Still nothing yet. Still nothing. I'm actually going to really quickly in a second here just get really quickly just going to flip back into sets for a minute. And then do straight down really quickly. No, I can't do that one yet, but I can do this one. Quick sales just because I've gotten 50,000 coins from this thing once. It's 9,450 coins, but it's pretty good. Might as well do the rest of them while I'm at it. Okay. And I don't really do the training points one because that one is really useless, but okay. I'm not even gonna do the training point one right now. It's not very good. Alright. Marketplace. I don't want to go to auction, darn it. Alright, here we go. Marketplace. Store. Alright, let's go. Back into opening them. So I've opened 115,000 so far. Gotten nothing. Seems that my bad luck has carried on from off camera when I was pulling nothing. Alright, I'm just going to keep going until I get one. And I don't know if I get one because it gives out like, it kind of throws some confetti around on the screen. But, receiver. I'm getting pretty good golds. I'm getting like 75 and 76s, up to some 79s as you saw, but not getting the elites. Come on. 35. Alright, we just about hit the 200,000 coin point. Still nothing yet. I'm just going to really quickly try and do one pack with just using hands tap. Yeah, no. I'm good, alright. Next. Just going to try and go through this as quickly as possible, and if I see an elite, if I miss it, I'll just go back to sale so I can see what it was. Alright. Come on. Nope, still nothing. I'm just ripping through these pro packs right now. Just hoping to get anything, but it doesn't look like there's anything else. I'm exactly at 1 million coins, okay? No, I'm not. Alright. Still hoping to get something good. Nothing. Alright. $300K. Nothing. Hoping my item count doesn't get too high. 916 out of 1200. My item count reaches, when my item count reaches the limit, I'm probably gonna have to end the episode there and then sell everything and then make another episode, part 2, where I can finish it off. Alright, so my item count should be good until I at least hit like 600K or something, so I only need to do like 400K in the next video. Nothing yet. Once again, if I did miss anything, just let me know in the comments. All these auctions are selling. Man. It's bothering me. It's getting all over my screen. Alright, I think I have somewhere around 1200 right now, right? 1250 exactly. That's gonna take a long time to do. Alright, let's keep going. I've hit well over 400K now. I'm at about 1001, I think, now is my item count. Yep, 1001, so I have 200 by 5. Can open 40 more pro packs before my item count will hit the top, so that's good. Alright. Alright, just flipping through these things. Still nothing. Man. Luck isn't there. Hit 500K, so I'm more than halfway there now. Still no elites yet. My luck has not been so good. Let's make sure, just in case I missed anything. Nope. Alright. Just gonna keep ripping on them. Nope, nothing yet. Okay, still going. Still going. Still going. Nope. Alright. Approaching 600K opened already. There's an elite finally, so I'm just gonna take a screenshot because that's what I always do. Okay. So, Ronald Leary, offensive guard. That's good. Alright. Oh, and there's an 80 overall rated special team, so that's good. Alright, so that's our first elite. Fortunately, it did come at almost 600K spent, but hopefully I'll get started getting more elites. We'll see, though. That put my offense up from 83, from an 80, I think it was 2 before, I'm not sure. Either way, you know, all 3 lineups are 80 overalls at least. So that's good. Alright. Okay, well past 600K now. Approaching 700K pretty soon. Alright. Keep opening them. I think that was just a gold. Pretty sure. Alright. I'm about 2 more packs away from hitting 700k now. Alright, and I've just about hit 700k spent. And I am running really low on my item count. Now I only have 30 left, so I only have 5 more packs to open. I'm gonna be out right there. Alright, those are my last 2 packs. I'm gonna end up with about 499,000. So so far I spent about 750,000 coins, which means I need like 250,000 coins, which is about another 35 pro packs. And you know what? I think I actually am gonna try and open them all on video. I want to try and get them all done one video right now. So let me just go ahead and scroll all the way down to my silvers and post them for 300, just so I can get them out of my way. Alright, so every time I post 20, I basically can open 4 more pro packs. Darn it. Here we go. I keep putting some 24/7 players in there. I gotta remember not to place them in there when I see them. I saw that guy too. Alright, so those I think were the 3 24/7 players I pulled from the pack, so I don't think there should be anything else more there. Alright. Should have room for 100 more to open. That means I can only open 20 more. It's not enough though. I'm gonna need about 35, so I'm gonna need to get pretty close to 100. Alright, and I think that should be enough. I have exactly 200 items left. Alright, here we go. Let's continue going with these pro packs as I'm approaching 800k, and there's a center. That's good. So we pull our second elite. That's awesome, because now my offensive line is obviously getting much better. Alright. Now we might actually be into a streak or something here. So let's keep going. We're almost all the way there, guys. In 2 packs, we will have hit 800k. And then I'll only have to open 200,000 coins worth more. Alright, and we have now hit 800k spent. 2 elites so far, so not horrible. That means on average I got 1 elite every 400k, which is actually pretty bad, but it works. So I'm actually going to update my team just because I know I have a few golds that need to be thrown in there as well, so I just do that. Alright. Go ahead and keep opening up some packs here. Keep away at them. See what else we can do. Alright. We're upcoming on 900k here. And how many do I have? I have still 125 open slots for items left, so that's a good amount. Alright guys, there it is. We've hit. There's Andy Dalton, quarterback, but he's not an update team right now, so it's not huge. Alright, now that we've hit 900k, we're literally just about 100,000 coins away from opening up 1 million. And I'm just going to go ahead and rip through these last 10 or so packs now. Alright, so it wasn't horrible. So now I know I've pulled 300 at least, and 300 through 900k, so it's almost about 1 every 300,000 coins. So as I approach my last 50,000 packs, I'll have the maybe hopefully one more elite, so I can make it so there's an elite every 250,000 coins spent, because that would seem reasonable, because that's every like, actually, yeah, maybe that's one every like 30,000 or 30 pro packs, so I have 30,000. Alright guys, we're just 25,000 coins away. It's an update team, but I saw it as gold. Alright, and then these are going to be our last 2 packs, I believe. Yeah, we'll do one more just because we're going to be put one above 250,000. So I'll do one more just because. And at least we got an update team on our second to last one. Our last one is going to be... Alright guys, so that was 1 million coins on Madden Mobile pack opening. As you can see really quickly, here's my updated team. Offense is looking really good. And I have this Cordell Patterson, which I upgraded big time, where he's a beast now. And I got this defense, which is looking okay. It's probably could be better. Let me actually update my defense as well. And that's about it. Hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.